We can use poultry dungs, we can use banana leaves and stems, and also we can use salt to. All right, so we are done installing this mobile Tapolene catfish pond. When you buy your Tapolene catfish pond from us, it will only take us 7 working days for us to construct and deliver to you on your farm. Reason being, we construct our ponds according to customers' specification, according to your size. So we don't just construct ponds and put it on the road. We construct our ponds according to customers' specification. So we are done installing the ponds. We have also fixed in the outlets. We are also going to fix in the inlet for inflow of water. Then we now commence proper fertilization and treatment of this pond. This is a new pond. We can't just put in fingerlings, juveniles like this, or else they will all give up the ghost. So we need to fertilize and treat the pond, rightly. We can use poultry dungs, we can use banana leaves and stems, and also we can use salt to prepare this pond before introducing our fish. So that will be that for today. So if you need something like this, you can always send us a message. You can give us a call. Our WhatsApp is open. This is actually 12 feet by 9 feet, 3 feet pond, and this can take 600 to 700 fish to maturity. But note, if your target is a May launch, if your target is a 3 month smokable size, you can double that number. So that will be that for today. Our DM is open. Our numbers are going to. So call us and make your intentions known if you're interested in something like this. So thank you for watching today's video. Do well to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.